Let me show you how to create a simple cinematic intro using animations in CapCut PC. We'll use this video as our example. First, add your video to the timeline. Go to Stock Media and drag a black background onto the timeline, placing it above your video as an overlay layer. Next, go to the Text tab and add default text. Type your desired text and customize its style. Change the text color to green. Now go to Animations and choose your preferred intro animation. I'll select Type 1 for this example. Select both the text and black background layers. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Go back to Animations and select Now Animation for your clip. Adjust the animation duration as needed. Now use the Video BG Remover tool with Chroma Key to remove the green from your text. Finally, go to Video Basics and click Blend. Adjust the opacity to achieve your desired cinematic look. That's it. Your simple cinematic intro is complete. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.